Content market fit is something that every organization wants. It's what organizations achieve when every single time they hit publish on a piece of content, they know with certainty that this piece of content is going to resonate with their audience. They know with certainty that this piece of content is going to connect with their target audience. That is the goal for every brand. But it starts by understanding first who your target audience is and where they're spending time, right? It's very easy to get caught up in this idea of we need to come up with content ideas, but you need to start by knowing where your audience is spending time and look for what we call channel user fit. Channel user fit is when you know the target audience you're trying to reach is spending time on a certain channel. Let's say you're trying to connect with salespeople and you've validated and confirmed that salespeople are spending time on LinkedIn. That is channel user fit. Now, once you have that, you then move into a transition period where you're trying to find content user fit. What type of content do people who are inside, like salespeople on LinkedIn, actually resonate with? What type of content are they sharing? What type of content are they reading? What type of content is actually connecting with these people on that channel? When you uncover that, you have content user fit. And when you are able to uncover both of those things, channel user fit and content user fit across a wide variety of different platforms, that's when you have content market fit. Because you can go to LinkedIn, you can go to Twitter, you can go to your blog, you can go to YouTube, and you can consistently push out content that you know your audience wants on the various channels that they're spending time on. And when you have that, you have content market fit.